Brad Williams, Excel Prime. What we're going to do is we're going to find the column number. It doesn't matter where. If we're looking for the column number of AB, well, we don't care what row it is. We're just interested in a column. Well, we have column A. The simple format would just go column A11 or A1 or this number here. Doesn't matter. A1, it's going to be 1. If we go column DD, 1, we're going to go way over here and just keep counting. It's going to be 108 columns between the beginning and DD. Here, this is column 1. Column F, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the simple format. You just go column F1. If you don't want to hard code this, introduce indirect. Here, we're just going to go indirect, B5, whatever's in B5. You notice how we're hard coded here? A1. Here, we just go B5 and then we're just going to put 1. And you can put anything you want here. The key thing here is we're identifying the column. If we're doing row, you're going to have to be a little more direct. Here, look at it. Column, indirect, B6 and 1. What does it look like? And B6 and 1, F9, it just goes DD1. Isn't that the exact same thing we have here? The only savings is if this changes, you're going to have to change this stuff over here. Column F, indirect, B7, concatenate 1. I'll go 100,000. The number is still the same. I'm not going to get into rows. You can see how this works. It's very simple. Whether you want to incorporate it or not is entirely up to you. Thought I'd introduce you to option 1 or option 2 in terms of counting columns. You know the anatomy. You know now what's going on with indirect. If you want to just use the simple format, knock yourself out. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.